I work with a lot of neighborhoods that desire these really highfalutin GAFO retailers. They want an antiques row, they want a pottery store, they want boutiques. When in fact, they're a neighborhood goods and services market, that's where their strength lies. But they waste all their time and their money and their staff on trying to attract those boutiques, rather than figuring out how to make their neighborhood goods and services great. And what I always say is, rather than being 2 blocks of really mediocre boutiques, I would rather have a half block of a great little grocery store with a pharmacy and the best dry cleaner. And I want it to be an environment where I interact with my neighbors and I'm part of something bigger than myself. It's a place that's genuinely ours, rather than some glamorous shopping strip that attracts people from all over the place and makes me feel good about myself. Which in essence is what retail environments have become for us. They have become the identity of our neighborhood. They're our billboard or our symbol of who we are, which is why I have so much trouble with neighborhoods that want a Williams-Sonoma, because they're automatic responses, but I am Williams-Sonoma. I am a high-income household. I shop at Williams-Sonoma all the time. I like to cook. What do you mean I can't have a Williams-Sonoma? The problem with that is it doesn't matter who you are. You may not be part of Williams-Sonoma's site selection process for the country that particular year. That does not mean that you have failed. It's very important to marry those two concepts together, not only to understand how to achieve a vibrant street, but also to understand what it means when you've established a point of success on your vibrant street, which many neighborhoods have achieved and never celebrated it because they didn't know they had gotten there.